Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today's video involves a review and tutorial using these products from Born Pretty Store. Gorgeous products. So the first one, let me start out with this stamping plate, and it looks like, so I wasn't aware, but it looks like the flower yarn, just like the previous stamping plate that I had reviewed before is the series. So this one is S001. I think the first one I did was 002. I can't remember. But look at this gorgeous plate. And as you can see, I have not removed the blue protective film on the back. It comes up with the Born Pretty Store logo protective paper right there. So yes, I am going to do some swatches of this plate as well. I will use it for my design also. The other two things that I got these stamping polishes and this red. Okay, so the name of this red stamping plate, stamping polish, it's BP Win 05 Dark Armor. And yes, I am very curious to see how this is going to show over black. You guys know that is always a challenge. And this little bottle is, how many mLs is it? It doesn't say. It's a mini bottle. Yeah, it's a small one. And then the yellow, this one is called, it's perfect for this season because it's BPAC03 Bright Yellow Sprouts. Yes, and it's from the Autumn Courtyard series. There we go. Okay, and last but not least are these gorgeous rhinestones. Now, these are plastic, but this art wheel, so we have here, there are 6 different colors in here. So they have, you see, you have 2 in each little slot here, but you actually have 4 of the same color, and I'm going to pull these out so you can see what they're like. So these are not like the expensive Swarovski crystals. They're actually plastic, but they look very pretty, and yeah, I'm sure you can get a lot of glitter and glam out of those. So I am going to incorporate that on today's design as well. And as well as these polishes, not as of right now. I'm not sure exactly what it is that I'm going to do, but I do want to incorporate all these items on my design. So I will now leave you with the swatches and the design, and I hope you guys enjoy. Guys, so here is the final design. I absolutely love how these turned out. The red and yellow stamping polish, they're absolutely gorgeous together. I knew I wanted to create sort of that gradient there to pull out to make it come out try to get an orange come out between the two of them. And when I did the swatching, so on these, I noticed that they look their best over white. Yes, the yellow, I kind of tends to have somewhat of a greenish tint to it over black. And the red, well, yeah, it's not a perfect red over black either. It turns to look more like orange or brown. Yeah, but yes, I do love, I was surprised how bright that yellow was over white, so that's why I wanted to go with this white base for the stamping. And then the crystal that I use, wow, so I use the these are the AB1, AB meaning for Aurora Borealis. That's the colors that it shifts that you get from there with the light hitting. And I know there's a lot of layers here for me to finish. I mean, I use flakies, I use powders, I use some glitters, because I just, you know, wanted to pull what I had in my head, and yes, it looks like it worked out. I also want to mention that, so these little crystals right here, as I mentioned, they come, there's a variety of colors here. There's actually only 6 different colors. So here they are right here. And what I want you to notice is the difference between this one is just a clear one, and this one has more of that opalescent look to it. And here's the it's like a slight seafoam green. And then this is a pink, but it looks like it's coming out more like a lilac on the camera. The blue, and then this is the AB1, Aurora Borealis, yeah, with all the colors, and that's the one that I put one of them on my nail. So yes, I'm very happy with these. They are flat on the back, and that's why I went around with some beads around it, I guess, to kind of like anchor it better on the nail. So as you saw, all the images stamped really, really well off of this plate. I absolutely love these images. So very good quality stamping plate, really good quality stamping polishes, and I love the bling of these crystals. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'd like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that, as always, I will have the link down in the description bar to all these items, as well as my 10% discount, and I will scroll that down at the bottom of the screen as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.